Setting up YouTube TV on an Android TV is fast and simple. Once installed, you can watch live channels, sports, and all your DVR recordings directly from your home screen. Here's how to get started. Begin by turning on your Android TV and navigating to the Google Play Store from the home menu. Using the search bar, type YouTube TV. Select the official app from the results and click Install. Wait a few moments for the installation to complete. Once the app is installed, go back to your home screen and open YouTube TV. When the app launches, select Sign In. A unique activation code will appear on your TV. On your phone or computer, open a browser and go to tv.youtube.com/start. Enter the code and sign in using the Google account connected to your YouTube TV subscription. After signing in, your full YouTube TV interface will load instantly. From here, you can browse the live guide, explore recommended content, and access your DVR library. Use your Android TV remote to switch channels, view schedules, and manage your recordings. If the app doesn't appear in the Play Store, make sure your Android TV software is up to date. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.